That whistling noise is not normal. Let's fix it. Close the water supply valve. Flush the toilet. Disconnect the float screw from the fill valve arm. Grasp the fill valve neck. Turn the fill valve cap counterclockwise 1/4 turn. Note the direction of the valve arm. Remove the valve cap. Remove the black rubber valve seal. The dirty valve seal is most likely the cause of the whistling. With an old toothbrush, clean the valve seal. Another option is to install a new valve seal. An affiliate link is in the description below. Also clean the valve cap. Flush the fill valve by placing a cup or small bowl over the fill valve and slightly open the supply valve. Carefully install the valve seal onto the valve cap. Place the valve cap on the fill valve with the valve arm pointing in the direction it was pointing when it was removed. Turn the valve cap clockwise 1/4 turn. Reconnect the float screw to the valve arm. Verify that the float moves freely. Open the water supply valve. Whistling gone.